Hi guys, I'm Sanchit from Beatfactory Academy. Welcome to another video of ours. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे what is a multi-band compressor, how do we use it and where do we use it. तो मेरे पास है ये गिटार सैम्पल जो मैंने ड्रैग किया है अपने एबल्टन सेशन व्यू में. So as you can see एकदम raw sample है. Now let's drag a multi-band compressor. So what is a multi-band compressor? So like a compressor, multi-band compressor also reduces the dynamic range of the signal, but it can do so. It has the capability of reducing the dynamic range in separate frequency bands of the signal. So like अगर मैं एक EQ pull out करूँ यहाँ पे, so as you can see, let's play that sample. So a normal compressor would treat this whole signal as a whole and it will compress the whole signal. But in a multi-band compressor, we have the capability to compress different frequency bands of the signal at the same time. So now let's hover upon these settings and try to understand a little bit more. So अगर मैं Ableton के stock multi-band compressor के बारे में बात करूँ, so it has this 3 frequency bands that we can control: highs, mids and lows. एंड इस सेटिंग से यू कैन कंट्रोल आपका हाई बैंड कौन से फ्रीक्वेंसी बैंड पे ट्रीट करेगा, एंड विद दिस सेटिंग यू कैन कंट्रोल आपका लो बैंड कौन सी रेंज पे वर्क करेगा, एंड जो बीच में बचेगा दैट वुड बी द मिड बैंड. So like a compressor, it has these attack and release settings, and like a compressor, it has these ratio as well as the threshold settings for each separate band. A multi-band compressor in Ableton also has the capability to apply upward and downward compression at the same time. So जो आप left में bars देख रहे हैं that can be controlled to apply upward compression, while जो आप right में bars देख रहे हैं that can be controlled to apply downward compression. So now let's hover upon to these settings and apply this multi-band compressor onto the guitar sample. So I am compressing the lows. ये येलो डॉट्स देख रहे हैं दैट इज द एक्चुअल सिग्नल, और जो ब्लू देख रहे हैं वो एक कंप्रेस करने के बाद सिग्नल है. So with the loudness meter I have also level matched this so that कोई gain में actual difference ना हो, so that our ears don't get fooled. So now let's hear this effect with the multi-band compressor and without the multi-band compressor. So what I've done is I've completely upward compressed the highs band, तो highs पूरे निखर के आ रहे हैं. At the same time I've applied downward compression to the lows. So ताकि जो low boominess है उसको मैं downward compress कर रहा हूँ ताकि वो मेरे mix में mud ना फैलाए. So one great use of multi-band compressor is that we can also use it on our masters, because master हमारी एक single file होती है, right? So मेरे पास ये master है. We're not going to listen to the whole, but we'll just listen to the loudest part and we'll compress it. So for this purpose I've used this ozone multi-band compressor. Let's start dialing in some settings. So you can completely hear how that multiband compressor has completely changed our master. And trust me, at this point of time, all mixing mastering engineers are using a multiband compressor on your mixes or masters, because it has completely become essential, you know. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम मिक्स बना लेते हैं, but you know it still lacks some clarity, and this is where we can use a multiband compressor to completely change that. सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो. अगर पसंद आया तो मेक श्योर टू लाइक इट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. And if you want to learn music production, mixing, mastering like this in a proper professional studio environment with us, then check out our website beatfactory.in. Check out our courses and get in touch with our team and contact us. You know, we'll be happy to help you in your career, and we'll be happy to answer any queries or any questions of yours. So hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.